Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphone SONOS ACE using your iOS device. And basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, add widget, scroll down again and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, let's say that's okay for me, and after you decide, click Add Widget. So you can check it right here, or you can use an application, so just open it, and right here we can check a battery level or click on your headphones, and here also. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!